All right, so what we're doing is we're moving some of these old chicken pens that we pieced together. We're actually going to put a real nice one in here now that we can divide them up in. So that way we can have different breeding going on at the same time. So they still got one hen to catch, put up, but this is it, right here.
And that's going to be the fastest one.
Run, chickie. Run, little dude. Run, cat. Oh. Come on, wait over here.
Trying to clean this off because we kept the tarp down or weed barrier down last year so that we can just plant it this year, but it has lots of tree seeds all over it and leaves and things like that. So instead of trying to use a broom, I'm using the leaf blower, and it makes it a little easier, and you can see I'm kind of getting it done and getting it ready for planting.
Alright guys, so tilling for spring 2024 is in action. Look how rich that soil is. Now if you guys remember, before winter hit, I put a big old compost pile over there. Daddy's already came with the other tractor and moved it around. I mean, look how rich that is. It's dang near black in spots. So again, we're taking that chicken manure, we're putting it in the compost, as well as any carcasses left over, like rabbit heads, chicken heads, feet, whatever, leaves, weeds, and we just put it in there, we mix it up, and it's really doing the soil wonders. So he's pretty much got it done now here on site 2. He's just getting a few little patches that need a little extra attention, and then pretty soon we'll be getting all this prepared and ready to go. Marker stands open, eggs, knickknacks.
Got the signs hung back up so people know that they can come in. And we got some eggs to put into that little refrigerator there.
I'm pretty sure butt nuggets are still $3 a dozen. Come get yours.
Hey son, why is it that we're already opening up the market stand?
Well, because there's been a lot of people wanting eggs. Some of them's been coming down to the house and getting some, so it's, I mean, spring's coming. As you can see, there's some blooms on that plum tree over there. Grass is getting greener, days are getting more warmer consistently. So we got eggs we can sell, so we're gonna go ahead and sell some eggs. And of course we got some knick-knack stuff we made last year that didn't sell, so we're gonna go ahead and put some of that out, and some other stuff. And then as the produce starts, we'll start bringing it out too. So
what do you think about it, hon?
I think it's cool outside. I'm ready for the warm weather and start ready to sell.
Sounds good to me. This is the plum tree. Starting to get its little blooms and stuff going here. I picked me a few of the daffodils that came up to take inside. And just noticed that these little boogers have come up. Those are some really good smelling flowers. I think they're called hyacinths, but I'm not 100% positive of it.
Alright guys, so what we dug up a tall pawpaw tree from over on the other side of the property that's actually producing pawpaws. Now paddock 2, all these trees through here are nothing but pawpaws. So, and none of them are actually producing anything the past few years. So we're hoping by putting this one over here, maybe we'll get lucky this year and this will all be full of pawpaws. At least the taller trees anyway. And it's dormant. You don't want to do this when there's green on the leaves, but I guess good. Thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.